Plagiarism is the act of using someone else's words, ideas, or work without proper attribution or permission and presenting them as your own. It is a serious ethical and academic offense that can have severe consequences, including damage to one's reputation, legal repercussions, and academic penalties such as failing grades or expulsion. Here's everything you need to know about plagiarism. Types of plagiarism. Direct plagiarism, copying someone else's work word for word without quotation marks or proper citation. Paraphrasing plagiarism, rewriting someone else's ideas or text in your own words without giving credit. Self-plagiarism, reusing your own previously published work without acknowledgement, especially in academic contexts. Mosaic plagiarism, piecing together sentences or phrases from different sources without proper citation. Inaccurate citation, incorrectly citing sources or omitting citations for borrowed information. Consequences of plagiarism. Loss of credibility and trust. Plagiarism undermines your integrity and professionalism. Legal issues. Plagiarism can lead to copyright infringement claims and legal actions. Academic penalties. In educational settings, plagiarism can result in failing grades, academic probation, or even expulsion. Career repercussions. Plagiarism can tarnish your reputation and affect future opportunities in academia, research, and professional fields. How to avoid plagiarism? Use proper citations. Always cite your sources when using someone else's ideas, quotes, or data. Follow the required citation style, example APA, MLA, Chicago. Paraphrase correctly. When paraphrasing, ensure that you rephrase the content in your own words and provide a citation to the original source. Quote directly. Use quotation marks for verbatim text from another source and include a citation. Manage your references. Keep track of all sources used in your work and create a bibliography or reference list. Understand fair use. Familiarize yourself with fair use guidelines and copyright laws to use others' work appropriately. Tools to detect plagiarism. Plagiarism detection software like Turnitin, Copyscape, or Grammarly can help identify copied content and improper citations. Universities and academic institutions often use plagiarism detection tools to check student submissions. Ethical considerations. Plagiarism not only violates academic integrity but also undermines the contributions of original creators and scholars. Respect intellectual property rights and give credit where it's due to uphold ethical standards in research, writing, and publishing. By understanding the definition, types, consequences, prevention strategies, and ethical considerations of plagiarism, individuals can avoid this unethical practice and uphold academic and professional integrity.